Voxmundo, Speedling, English. English especially slow and clear for beginner or looking to become more fluent. Original content: 200 action verbs in English, daily use. Hello, and welcome to Voxmundo. This is more than just English practice, it's your daily step toward confidence and fluency. In today's lesson, you'll hear 200 real-life action phrases in the present continuous tense. They're simple, useful, and spoken slowly and clearly perfect for listening, shadowing, and memorization. You can use them at home, at work, or while you're on the move. No pressure, just relax, listen, and repeat after me. Are you ready to train your ear and speak more naturally? Let's focus, feel the rhythm of English, and begin our journey. Welcome to Voxmundo, where learning English is clear, calm, and connected to real life. Action verbs. Repeat after me. I am walking. I am walking. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am standing. I am standing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am spinning. I am spinning. I am falling. I am falling. I am crawling. I am crawling. I am climbing. I am climbing. I am sliding. I am sliding. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am skipping. I am skipping. I am flying. I am flying. I am riding. I am riding. I am driving. I am driving. I am skating. I am skating. I am reading. I am reading. I am writing. I am writing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am painting. I am painting. I am coloring. I am coloring. I am erasing. I am erasing. I am studying. I am studying. I am learning. I am learning. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am eating. I am eating. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am feeding. I am feeding. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am washing. I am washing. I am brushing. I am brushing. I am sweeping. I am sweeping. I am folding. I am folding. I am shopping. I am shopping. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. I am closing the door. I am closing the door. Action verbs block 2. Repeat after me. I am turning on the light. I am turning on the light. I am turning off the light. I am turning off the light. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am singing. I am singing. I am talking. I am talking. I am whispering. I am whispering. I am shouting. I am shouting. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am crying. I am crying. I am yawning. I am yawning. I am sneezing. I am sneezing. I am coughing. I am coughing. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am dreaming. I am dreaming. I am waking up. I am waking up. I am getting up. I am getting up. I am stretching. I am stretching. I am dressing. I am dressing. I am undressing. I am undressing. I am changing clothes. I am changing clothes. I am putting on shoes. I am putting on shoes. I am taking off shoes. I am taking off shoes. I am tying my shoes. I am tying my shoes. I am carrying a bag. I am carrying a bag. I am dropping the bag. I am dropping the bag. I am picking up the bag. I am picking up the bag. I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am catching the ball. I am catching the ball. I am kicking the ball. I am kicking the ball. I am bouncing the ball. I am bouncing the ball. I am playing the guitar. I am playing the guitar. I am playing the piano. I am playing the piano. I am playing the drums. I am playing the drums. I am clapping my hands. I am clapping my hands. I am snapping my fingers. I am snapping my fingers. I am waving my hand. I am waving my hand. We've just practiced 200 action verbs in real useful sentences. That's a powerful step toward fluency, and I'm proud of you for making it this far. Which verbs did you already know? Which ones were new? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Your voice matters here, and this community grows stronger with every learner who shares their journey. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Voxmundo for more clear, slow, and useful English practice. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. We've got much more coming to help you learn with confidence and joy. Also, feel free to share this with a friend who's learning English too. It might help them more than you think. Thanks again for watching and practicing with us. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing. See you in the next lesson. Take care and stay curious.